Hello, Dr. Rashi. Could you tell us about the role of resistance training in management of polycystic ovarian syndrome? Thank you.
For so many years, treatment of polycystic ovarian syndrome has been emphasized in the form of diet control, that is calorie restriction and exercise. But the importance of type of exercise has never really been emphasized. Resistance training, that is weight training or building of muscles, is one of the most important aspects of management of PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease, because the main premise is controlling insulin resistance. By weight training or resistance training, at least 2 to 3 times a week, there is a high chance of breaking that insulin resistance and getting past the challenge of controlling high levels of circulating insulin in the body. This will in turn help the females in regularizing their menstrual cycles and reducing the hyperandrogenism that ensues following PCOS.